Deus 2 out here. I've been seeing a little discussion about the old XY screen. Well, we may show some of that in this video. I don't know. But anyway, I've got mono program running right around 7.5 kilohertz. Now, I've got auto scan on this machine. You see what I've got on that box there? Well, they're all aluminum twist caps. Park mode. Now, I've got these machines. This machine is set up reactivity 2.5, 3 tones. Default 3-tone setting, okay? Listen to this aluminum twist cap in park mode. Listen. You hear that? Now listen to her in mono. Hear the difference? Mono, that sounds like a cone, don't it? Listen. That's from about 5 inches above it. Listen. Nice and clean, ain't it? Park mode. Now listen. I gotta let the auto scan do its thing. Listen. Hear how that machine's labored with its tone when it comes over that? It's not clean on the edges. Listen. Alright. Let me show some more here. Another twist cap. You see it there? It's crushed, okay? Now, this is park mode in full tones, okay? Listen. Let this auto scan get done. Listen. Hear that? See, I know that ain't a cone, okay? Now listen to mono again. Now I'm running, it's 7.8 kilohertz. I've got auto scan on, so it's staying right around 7.5. I'm in that band, okay? Now this is mono. Now listen. Hear that? Sounds good, don't it? Listen to park again. Alright. Pity. Okay, this is park mode. Now listen, full tones. Alright. Here's that old cap again. Hear that? Hear the difference? Go to mono. Here's the cap. She's scanning on me. Alright. Alright. Here's the zinking. So it's reading a higher pitch, but you don't get the tonal signature difference. Hear that? Listen. Alright. Little bass I actually dug with this machine, but I know it wasn't going to be a Cohen when I dug it, okay? Here's park mode, full tones. Now listen. Hear that? Now listen to Deus mono. Hear that? Now, that target right there, there's certain ways you sweep that target in the wild. If I bury it 5 or 6 inches in the ground, and I'm not picking on the equinox, you'll dig that every day of the week. If you just come up on it a certain direction and do that, you'll say, oh, I got to dig that if she's a reading high in the meter. You won't dig that right there with this machine sweeping it this way or this way in the wild, okay? If you know what you're doing, if you know how to listen to this machine. Little old toy car here. I know everybody's dug these. You can dig them with any metal detector practically. Okay, park mode, full tones. Listen. Hear that? Listen. Alright. Deus mono. She's auto scanning. Hear how clean that sounds? Don't sound so clean in park mode, does it? Hear that? Let's turn this thing around here. Let's turn it over, even turn it around. Park mode, multi-tones. Or full tones, I'm sorry. Hear that? Okay. Deus mono. She's scanning on me. So when you're using multi-frequency on this machine, now there is tonal nuance with Deus mono, okay? Deus 1 had tonal nuance. But it's obvious to me your nuance has even increased with this machine with the multi-frequency, okay? That's proof right there. I just showed you 3 or 4 examples. First example here, got this old watch here I dug out with an E-track about 8 years ago, I believe it was, okay? Park mode, full tones, listen. That's from about 5 inches above that watch right there. Mono. She'll get done with the auto scan. Listen. Hear how clean that sounds? That's clean as a whistle. But it ain't so clean in this park. Let's listen one more time. Park in full tones. Listen to that. I'm telling you that ain't a calling when you're getting ready to dig.